Hey guys, here's an update on the Red Ranger batch that we've got in. This is the second batch. The first batch is large enough now. We moved them out to the main chicken coop. I think we still got maybe a dozen here with a few extra egg layers that we had purchased. And just fed them this morning and they're loving it. And as you can see, their feathers are filling in. They're not quite fully feathered. We'll probably have another week here that we want to keep them inside the greenhouse. Once the feathers are fully in, they can regulate their temperature and hold in heat when they need to, if needed, as it's still cold here in the evenings. And you can see we still got the heat lamp on for them at night. And we are still in the greenhouse with the chicken tractor. They're pretty skittish, but I think they're more hungry than they are afraid. And the black ones are all Bantams. That's why you can see that they're probably half the size of the Red Rangers right now. My son's out filling up their water feeder right now. That's why it's not in here. Here they come. Let's see if they're thirsty. Gonna put the water back in here. I'm sure some of them are thirsty. Go ahead and put it in. Half of them are thirsty, half of them are hungry.